Hello guys, today we're going to unbox Supersonic and Super Shadow to pack. The special part about these figures is that they light up. Here's Supersonic. And Super Shadow. And here's the packaging. They always add a shadow. There's a really cool display on the back with both of them. It's transition time. Sonic looks really cool, even if he doesn't have the same articulation as the other ones. Of course, Shadow does too. Another Transitio. Like I said, the figures are pretty good, even without the other articulatio. Oh, you probably aren't wondering why Shadow didn't have the weird eye thing. Well, that's because this isn't the same box. These are two separate boxes, which has opened. But anyways, the figures are very good with the light up, and it can make cool poses in the dark.